Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to CountyLine TV. It's an exciting, it's an exciting day here at the old CountyLine HQ. I can't see it from here. I'll blur it anyway. I can't see my face at all. I'm just a silhouette now. But that green car back there, this is a green car. It's about to be taking its first voyage. I'm going to shut the camera off and let it charge for a minute because I don't feel like going and grabbing another battery. But we're going to take that thing on its maiden voyage down the up and down the road. We're pretty excited. I think all of us are at an excitement level that we haven't seen in a little while. So I'll pick the camera back up whenever we get things a little more buttoned up. It's leaking some coolant right now. So we're trying to get that sealed up and then it should be ready for some brapping.
She's weak. I think it's a battery. Weren't we supposed to run an extra ground up front or not?
Yeah, we should have, but we didn't. Go for it. It'll just overheat really fast because it won't hold any pressure. Okay. We gotta make the system hold any pressure.
Oh wow! Hey!
Got temp.
What?
It has temperature.
Oh, that's weird.
On the hard top, that's fine. It's got temp, but it's not less from the radiator. I don't know what that temperature is.
That's pretty cool.
That's pretty cool.
Oh, he has no air in the back tires. First launch?
This is CountyLine TV. We do burnouts on the test drives.
I tried, but it wasn't happening.
We will fire up the air compressor, get about 100 psi in them. We'll be back after this short message from our air compressor.
To the camera.
What RPM does that cut at?
I have no idea, because as soon as I do it, it goes.
Oh. It almost sounds like it's like a really low rev limiter, which would mean like your math is reading out of range.
Not surprising.
That's kind of what I think it is. I think your math is out of range. It needs a filter.
It's a no problem. I've had it before with those.
Have you had it in like any gear but first? See if she drives and we'll put her up. So we'll take you guys for the first trip underneath Justin's RX7 drift car. It's actually pretty exciting under here, I'm not even gonna lie. As you come under, you realize that he has the big PBM angle kit with like the custom knuckle and everything. Pretty cool. PBM coilovers as well, as you can see. And then we move a little further back, you realize there's no exhaust at all right there.
That's scary.
I see random smoke.
That's probably me, bro.
Oh. Where'd you fuck you blow smoke?
My vape.
So technical difficulties. Anyway, this drive shaft is really small. Surprisingly small. Like, look at it compared to my finger. It's very small. But as we get to the back, you'll notice all sorts of PBM goodies there, 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 there. They're just everywhere. Like PBM air tank up in there. Yeah, hang on, let me zoom in a little bit. Up in there. All right, so PBM everything. PBM sponsor this car, bro. Back there too. I'm saying. Part Shop Max. Get us on that sponsorship. I ordered parts for my Corvette from you too. Just to clarify. So anyway, there's a lot of goodies on this car. It's a really cool start for a drift car, especially for someone having that as their first drift car. It's going to be splendid. Especially after it makes more power than a stock 13B and actually does burnouts. So, super cool. Anyway, just figured I'd show you guys all the cool stuff, and then we won't talk about how many things we found loose under here, because basically everything the camera pointed at and everything that the camera didn't point at but you saw under there, it's all loose. Every nut, every bolt, every stud, everything's just loose under here. He names one item that was tight. But super short video. Just wanted to show you guys the first drive and then a little bit of a walk around. We'll see you guys on the next one.